In the heart of a rapidly transforming world where technology becomes more personal, more intelligent, and more beautiful, one device emerged as a symbol of harmony between performance and elegance. The 2026 OPPO Tech Mobile was not merely a smartphone, it was a bold expression of what happens when art and engineering meet. Designed to empower, inspire, and amaze, it stood at the intersection of imagination and precision, crafted to be not just used but experienced in every facet of daily life. When someone first laid eyes on the 2026 OPPO Tech Mobile, it wasn't the specifications or features that caught their attention. It was the allure of its design, the smooth flow of its contours, the seamless glass-to-metal finish that felt like holding a single, unified element rather than assembled parts. The device shimmered under changing light with a soft iridescence, colors shifting subtly from one hue to another, reflecting the environment and the personality of the user. OPPO's designers had crafted a frame that felt like a natural extension of the hand, thin enough to be elegant yet substantial enough to feel premium and confident. At the core of its visual identity was its expansive full-vision AMOLED display that curved gracefully over the edges, creating an immersive, borderless experience. With a resolution that surpassed 4K and adaptive refresh rates reaching 144 Hz, the screen responded fluidly to every interaction. Watching videos became cinematic, scrolling felt like gliding through silk, and gaming visuals exploded with vivid realism. The display technology incorporated next-gen anti-glare nano coating, making it legible even under the harshest sunlight. The under-display camera, invisible to the naked eye, preserved the full-screen aesthetic while delivering crystal-clear selfies with advanced AI enhancement. Powering this marvel was the latest Snapdragon 9 Gen 2 chipset, co-developed with AI enhancements specifically tuned for OPPO's software ecosystem. This chip was not just fast, it was smart. It distributed